Okay, this one's looks like a slightly challenging one once again. There's not a great deal of colour. It's difficult to make something nice out of something that doesn't have all that much colour. So we'll see how it goes anyway. Okay, what background colour will we give this one? This one looks tricky. We're going to go forest green. So let's see how this one goes. Oh, that was a bit slow. Whatever. Fuck me dead. Okay, this one's going to be interesting if we can get anything decent out of it. Oh, did we have to go that high? Oh, okay, we're going to punch the colours up higher. So we're just going to keep it there. I think that's got to be it. This will be an interesting setup. Okay, we've got to enlarge it as well. So what have we got? We got here, Happy Tell. I like the name, and the colour yellow to me is happiness. Yellow is happiness, so that's appropriate. Screen repairs. Okay, this one again is close enough to being an A5 and a little bit narrower than an A6. That's pretty much it. Now, I wonder what we're going to do with the enlargement. What sort of enlargement are we going to make it? We're going to go here. Oops, we forgot something. It's nice to put that in first, and then I can get it up on the screen, and we're just going to do our trick with this 200%. This will stretch the image vertically. Okay, let's see how this one looks. Let's hope the colours turn up a treat. I just feel a lovely breeze on my back, which really is nice in this hot place that I'm demoing in, my unit. To be precise, my bedroom. But anyway, that's come up better than I thought. Wonder if I like the colours, but maybe that's not too bad. That's quite an interesting look.